approximately 175,000 square meters. The Heyuan Manufacturing Base features standardized workshops for sheet metal processing, products assembly, testing, and warehousing. It produces a wide range of products, including wind power systems, photovoltaic solutions, energy storage systems, hydrogen energy, and VFD. Every product is meticulously crafted to meet the highest standards and customer requirements. Committed to building a low-carbon industrial park, the base has installed a 4.319 MW solar storage power station on its rooftops, enabling energy efficiency and eco-friendly operations. The sheet metal workshop is equipped with high-precision automated equipment such as bending machines, CNC punching machines, and laser cutting systems to ensure refined processing of raw materials. The integrated digital management can streamline production and enhance product quality. IGBT, often called the CPU of power electronics, determine product performance and reliability. The IGBT module assembly workshop for wind power converters and hydrogen production power is equipped with a dedicated temperature-controlled system and fully automated welding machines, ensuring every module meets stringent performance standards. In wind power converter and hydrogen production power assembly workshop, a hybrid island position assembly line is adopted to allow products move rhythmically between stations, significantly boosting production speed. For post-assembly, products will undergo rigorous testing, including aging, salt spray, and temperature tests to guarantee stability in extreme environments. In photovoltaic inverter and energy storage workshop, traceability control is implemented across pre-processing, assembly, testing, and packaging stages to maximize product qualification rates. Multiple testing platforms simulate harsh conditions, salt spraying, high temperatures, humidity, vibration, and aging to ensure compliance with global standards. This is the VFD workshop, which includes modules for component assembly, full system integration, and testing 3 areas. The entire workshop is assembled in a high-standard and static-free environment to ensure product quality. After assembly, products undergo comprehensive joint tests, auxiliary power, functionality, performance, hydraulic pressure to further elevate quality. With advanced equipment, rigorous processes, and uncompromising quality standards, Hopewind Heyuan Manufacturing Base delivers high performance, reliable solutions for renewable energy and industrial drives worldwide, driving the global transition to sustainable energy.